Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to teach you how to do a drawing. So it's going to be a cute chibi snowman like this. This is my journal. I just keep it. So we're going to draw something like this. It's a cute chibi snowman. And then we're going to do it. So here it is. This is the tutorial. I took my notebook because I don't have my book with me right now. I don't know where the piece of paper is, so here we are. Some of this is going to be fast forward because it's just the parts where you don't really need to know. First things first, we draw the guidelines. I always use guidelines because that's the easiest thing. First we draw a small circle for the head. Just let me erase that and make it better. I know that looks stupid. So for the trees, we're going to make a big Christmas tree over here. Since it's near Christmas time, we're doing some wintry drawings for a few days. In my drawing book, I do have this wintry scene, thanks to this YouTube video from Cartooning for Kids, Sketch Saturday? I don't remember. I always use their channel for drawings. We're going to make this type of tree. The tree looks very neat. So I'm going to draw that type of tree over here. And then, yeah, there we go. And my brother also tried to do it. So, yeah, here we are. That's one. This. And there's our Christmas tree. Okay. Okay, so I changed the face a little because it looked kind of weird. So now for the end, we draw its buttons. No, I think that's a little too big. We can make them just perfect. Okay. Draw some buttons. And then we draw some dots. There we go, we're done. If you want for the hat, we can do this. Do split it in the middle. And like that. There we go. Now we color. Just skip the part where I just go over it with black. If you want to go over the snowman with black, just this. Now let's go get some colored pencil. I'll time lapse it. Because this is not a mandatory step. This is just if you want. You can just do this if you want. See, you can color it all if you want. Otherwise, it'll look just like this. And at the end of this video, I'll show a little part. Keep watching, because at the end of the video, there's this special part where I show you one of my best drawings of a Zentangle. So guys, this is our completed product today, and compare it to this. And as I promised, my sneak peek, which I'm gonna get. Here we go. A few of my drawings are here in my drawing book. Okay, it's nothing weird. This is my drawing. That was my sneak peek. It's a leopard. Super cool, right? Yeah. And also, we got some more drawings that I am going to show you. A Harry Potter. And then another one, some cartoon people. And also we got this painting. And finally, last but not least, we got my favorite one of my favorites, this. So, bye guys, it's me, Achintia Bat. Achintia, peace out.